Hi there, welcome to the add-ons. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Elementor Forms to Google Sheets so every submission is automatically saved into a spreadsheet on your Google Drive. Let's get started. Step 1. Create your Elementor form. I have already created a form with 4 fields: name, email, phone, and message. So next, Step 2. Create your Google Sheet that will receive data from Elementor Forms. I have also created it and named it Elementor Responses with 4 columns: name, email, phone, and message. You can leave the sheet empty. The plugin will start filling it when we test the form. Now go back to the form. Scroll down to the Action After Submit section. Add a new action called Google Sheets. Then the panel will appear. Because we have connected before, so the Google Sheets settings is displayed here. If you want to know how to connect Elementor to Google Sheets, watch the video in the description. Now in the Google Sheets action settings, select your spreadsheet, in this case Elementor Responses. Then choose the worksheet, usually named Sheet 1 unless you renamed it. If nothing appears, click Fetch Data to reload your spreadsheets and tabs. Now let's move on to mapping your Elementor fields to the Google Sheets columns. By default, you'll see 2 items already created for you. Submission ID. This field already includes the source code and the label. This is an automatic ID generated by Elementor for every form submission. When someone sends the form, this ID will be added to your Google Sheet so you can easily identify its submission as a separate entry. The All Fields option collects all form fields and places them into each column. If you want to map specific form fields, such as only name and message, here's what to do. Delete the All Fields item, click Add Column, paste the shortcode of the form field you want to send to the Google Sheets. This is the column name that will appear inside your Google Sheet. You can use any custom label. Now click Update to save your Elementor page. Open the page on the front end and fill out the form with some test data. And you should see a brand new row with the name, email, phone, and message exactly as you entered them. Next, go back to the form and try to map specific fields. We will map the email and message field. Copy the shortcode of the email field. Paste here. Enter the label. Do the same way for message field. Save and have a preview. Fill out the form. After submitting, go back to your Google Sheet. You can see only 2 fields: email and message sent to the sheet. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Elementor Forms with Google Sheets. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.